Hi everyone, this is Matt Presby, Senior Analyst with inThought Research. EULAR 2020 is just 1 week away, and today I'll be providing inThought's preview of the key presentations from Europe's biggest rheumatology meeting. Safety data on small molecule JAK inhibitors will continue to dominate attention in the rheumatoid arthritis space. Real-world data and long-term follow-up data will be presented for Pfizer's Xeljanz and Lilly's Olumiant, and evolving data sets will shed light on AbbVie's recently approved Rinvoq. Running out the bunch is Gilead and Galapagos' filgotinib, currently under regulatory review. The safety analysis of Olumiant through 8.4 years of treatment is reporting overall incidence rates for deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism of 0.31 and 0.45 events per 100 patient years respectively, which is higher than that observed for Xeljanz at approximately 0.1 for each over more than 9 years of exposure. An independent analysis of the World Health Organization's VIGIBASE also reports a higher risk of thromboembolic events with Olumiant than Xeljanz. While potential class effect cannot be ruled out, rheumatologists are hoping that newer JAK inhibitors selectively targeting the JAK1 isoform will offer an enhanced safety profile. New data at EULAR for AbbVie's Rinvoq, the first selective JAK1 inhibitor to be approved, will include 3-year safety data, including a separate analysis of the incidence and risk factors for thromboembolic events. AbbVie will also present 2-year radiographic data from 2 of its registrational trials for Rinvoq. The second JAK inhibitor, filgotinib, is expected to gain approval later this year, and an updated safety data set will also be presented at EULAR. While the primary outcomes data have already been presented for filgotinib, EULAR will be an important forum for discussing potential differences from other JAK inhibitors. New therapies for non-radiographic axial spondyloarthritis will be another hot topic at EULAR, with key drugs already used for ankylosing spondylitis set to enter the market for non-radiographic disease. Last month, Novartis Cosentyx became the first IL-17 inhibitor and the first targeted therapy beyond a TNF inhibitor to be approved for non-radiographic disease. Approval was granted in the European Union, and a US approval is expected in July. Lilly's IL-17 inhibitor, Taltz, is also anticipated to be approved for non-radiographic disease in the coming months. Key data from Cosentyx's phase 3 PREVENT trial will also be presented at EULAR. The approval of new drugs for non-radiographic disease represents a growing acknowledgement that axial spondyloarthritis is a disabling disease regardless of radiographic damage, with a similar restriction of functional capacity to ankylosing spondylitis. Axial involvement in psoriatic arthritis is attracting increased attention as new therapies are approved for axial spondyloarthritis. Many effective therapies have been approved for psoriatic arthritis patients in recent years, but axial manifestations of the disease remain a high unmet need. Estimates of the prevalence of axial involvement in psoriatic arthritis range from 25% to 70%. Several therapies are now being evaluated in patients with axial symptoms. New 52-week data from the MAXIMIZE trial of Cosentyx will be presented at EULAR, as well as data from the registrational DISCOVER program for Janssen's IL-23 inhibitor, Tremfya. Tremfya is still under regulatory review for psoriatic arthritis, but positive data on endpoints related to axial symptoms, including spinal pain, will be presented. This is notable since IL-23 inhibitors are no longer being developed for axial spondyloarthritis after failing to show a beneficial effect. Many experts believe that the evaluation of this drug class will stop prematurely, and new analyses such as this may open the door to further investigation. That concludes our conference preview for EULAR 2020. Thanks for watching, and keep following us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Bye, guys.